8 notices have been received under Rule 267. The notices of Sri Sukhendu Shekhar Ray, Sri Saket Gokhale, Srimati Mosam B. Noor, Srimati Mamta Thakur, Susri Dola Sen, Shri Rita Brata Banerjee have demanded discussion over the alleged lapse of Election Commission in issuance of multiple duplicate electors' photo identity cards across the states. The notice of Sri Sanjay Singh demands discussion over the issue of missing persons from the recently organized Mahakumbh at Prayagraj. The notice of Dr. V. Sivadasan demands discussion on adverse impact on account of the deal of 2 Indian telecom companies with Starlink. Honorable members, it is never a pleasure to reiterate, but under compulsion, I am doing so. I would seek your indulgence to kindly go through the rulings imparted at my end on this issue on 22 and 19 December 2022. You would recall then I had indicated 2 aspects. One, the procedural part of it, and once you cross the barrier of procedural part, mind, use his discretion, and also invited your attention that whenever such situation has arisen in the House, it has been consensus between both the sides. The present notices fall on the first count. Since these notices do not conform to the directives imparted by the Chair, the same are declined. Point of order.
I have only one submission, because in 0 hour, normally you do not raise point of order, but since your Honor has directed me to raise the point of order.
What is the point of order you are raising?
Yes, under Rule 266, under Rule 266 and 176. This actually, last year, 29th of July, there is a precedence when your Honor was pleased to allow, convert the 267 notice into 1676 notice for short duration discussion on the tragic death of students in a coaching institute at Delhi. So, I am requesting your Honor to kindly convert my 267 notice into 176 notice by exercising your discretionary power under Rule 266 for a short duration discussion of the subject that I have raised in my 267 notice. That is my humble submission. That is on the same subject. That is my humble request to your Honor.
Honorable members, I appreciate the genius of the member that in the garb of raising a point of order, he is making a good suggestion. I will take it into consideration and take a call and indicate so. Matters